Hello everybody, hope you all are doing fine. Welcome to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes, and today I have come up with cabbage ghassi or cabbage curry. Coming to this, you need 1 cup grated sliced thin cabbage, 1/4 cup potato cut into long pieces, 2 medium sized tomatoes, 1/4 cup tur dal, water as required and salt to taste. For the dhavi masala or the ground paste, you need 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut scrapings, 2 to 3 red chilies or as per your spiciness level, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. For seasoning, you need oil. For seasoning, I usually use coconut oil, a spoon of mustard, a pinch of fenugreek seeds and a 1 sprig of curry leaves. So these are the various ingredients that I have used. These are the way in which they have been chopped also. Now coming to the preparation of tur dal, as you can see in the picture, the tur dal is only partially cooked or half cooked. This is because we need to bite into the dal when having the dish. So for the preparation of the dal like this, what you have to do is you have to soak the tur dal in water for 15 to 30 minutes, drain away the water and pressure cook it as follows. This is the way I pressure cook it. So transfer the soaked dal into the separator of a cooker. If you don't have a separator, you can use any container that goes into the pressure cooker. You need not add water to the dal, but don't forget to add water into the vessel, into the cooker. Into the cooker you have to add water but not to the dal. After one whistle, simmer the flame and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. The dal would have been half cooked. Open the cooker when it has cooled down. Some recipes they skip the dal, but I usually add it because it gives a different taste and flavor to the dish, to the dish. Now transfer the cut vegetables to a vessel, add water and salt and cook till the potatoes get cooked. While the cooking is going on, grind the dhavi masala using coconut, red chilies and turmeric powder to a smooth paste, adding little water and keep aside. When the vegetables are cooked, add tur dal and mix well. Now add the ground masala and mix well. Now you will get dhavi ghassi of a semi-thick consistency. It should not be watery, so you have to adjust the quantity of water to be added to the dish. If after adding dhavi masala your ghassi is very thick, then add little water to loosen it. If your ghassi becomes watery, then grind a little coconut to a smooth paste and add. Check for salt and add if necessary. After adding the masala, you have to do the seasoning. Heat oil in a kadai or a pan. Add mustard seeds to the hot oil and let them splutter. This is followed by addition of fenugreek seeds and immediately add curry leaves and salt for a second. Pour the seasoning over the cabbage ghassi and mix well. Your cabbage ghassi or cabbage curry is ready to be served. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And in this channel, I will be sharing you almost all of the Kerala GSB recipes that is usually prepared by Konkanis in South Kerala. So please keep watching my channel regularly. Thank you.